Just tell me the output of this program.
Simple. It will display numbers from 0 to 9.
Well, that was easy.
Another instruction. Break? What's this? Something new?
You will find out.
What? It displays the numbers only till 4 now. What just happened with these two lines?
Before I tell you, any guesses on these two lines?
If the number is equal to 5, break, it looks like we asked Mr. Python to stop the loop when we reach the number 5.
You're thinking right.
Yup, silly. With lines 1 and 4, we ask Mr. Python to display numbers till 9.
But when we add line 2, we ask him to check if the number is equal to 5.
So when we reach 5 in the loop, the condition becomes true.
And then Mr. Python moves to the next line which says break.
Yup, with break, we simply ask Mr. Python to stop the loop.
Like, okay, Mr. Python, we need to stop this loop right now.
And that's why the loop displayed only the numbers from 0 to 4.
Ha! It's quite clear now.
Good!